Extend triangle is a standing hip opening pose that builds a strong foundation for feet, ankles, legs, and hip. With regular practice, it will draw energy up through the legs, to the side, and to the body. Begins with summer city. Ground yourself with one deep and slow breath. On the next exhalation, step or slightly jump your feet apart. Rotate your right foot facing the short side of the mat. On the next exhalation, open your arms wide apart parallel to the floor, extending it out to the side and shoulder blade are wide, down and back. Turn your palm facing down. Exhale. Shift your hips to the left. Slowly side your torso out to the right side over your right leg. Pressing your right sitting bone towards your left side while extending your spine and arm to the maximum extensions. Then place your right hand next to the outer side of your right foot. Look softly towards your left hand with no strain on your neck. Stay in extended triangle for 30 seconds to a minute with long, steady breaths. Keep your body extend and open like a star. To come up, inhale and strongly pressing the back heel and the outer side of the sole into the floor. Bring your body up with your abdominal muscles. Turn your feet parallel. Exhale. Repeat the other legs with the same length of time. For beginners, rest your right hand lightly on your shin or place your yoga block next to the outer heel of your front leg. Look down or keep your head in a neutral position. If your neck feels uncomfortable or having difficulty to breathe, listen to your body and do not force yourself. For pride, your strength will come and develop throughout regular practice. To go deeper in extend triangle, bring your awareness to your spine, align it with front leg. Slide your torso even further back. Grab your big toes with your right hand to work on your balance.